Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Chat by Mistral AI application. So first of all you need to install it, then tap the open button. So you can see here some options, so simply tap on start now. So you don't need to sign in, but if you want then you can go ahead. It's like a chat GPT, like you can ask anything. Hi, how to be a smart people. So you can tap it. So you can see they give the answer, or you can upload you must log in to upload files. So you must log in. I'm just going to tap here. You can log in your account with sign in Google, sign in Microsoft, and sign in with password. So sign in with Google is really simple. So sign off, register with Google. So I already logged in with my Google. You can log in with your Microsoft account. So you can see upgrade to let jet froze. You can also upgrade, and here you can see you will get here. You can upload your photos, select documents, select picture, take a picture, or you can search web search. You can take it, image generation, code interpreter, and also you can see. So like hi, and just type and how they look. You'll get hello, how can I assist you today? So, and if you want to use it, you can enter new title for this chat. You can save it. You can share your conversation. You can share conversation to your friend, and if you tap on the plus, then you will get here. Like you can upload your picture, documents. You can generate images. For example, I'm just going to tap on the select picture. So maybe, for example, okay, I'm just going to choose this. Okay, tell me about this image. So you can tap it, then they will analyzing this image depicts a vibrant outdoor scene featuring a tree adorned with a bright orange. So it's like a chat GPT. Okay, so it's really simple. You can use this app this way, and if you want to upgrade to lecture, simply tap here. Then you have to go their website, and you can sign in, and you can upgrade your app. So it's really easy to use. So today's no more, and see you the next video.